Hey sweet friend, I'm so glad that you're here today. We're gonna take a little look around my fall home. It's my favorite time of year. I love it. Have all the windows open, candles lit, drinking my chai tea. I almost said pumpkin chai tea. And I'm just enjoying a slow day at home. I'm such a homebody. I love a good reset, clean the house, light the candles, and just enjoy being here. So that's my hope for today, is just to give you the feelings of fall. I hope this video gives you all the cozy feels, but then also it's just a gentle reminder that less is more. You don't need a lot to create a cozy home. And yeah, that's it. So we're gonna actually turn the camera around, take a look around some spaces I have decorated, and I hope you enjoyed today. So today we're talking all things autumn and just embracing all that the season has to offer. And I would be remiss if I didn't talk about how important my wardrobe has also been this season, and that's where Quince comes in. And I'd like to thank Quince for sponsoring today's video. Quince believes that quality shouldn't be a luxury, that everybody deserves nice things at an affordable price point. And I have truly loved shopping Quince. All of their pieces are classic. They're perfect if you love a capsule style wardrobe. And I have some new pieces in my wardrobe from Quince that I have been wearing on repeat. Okay, so first up, this is probably one of my favorites. It's this Mongolian cashmere. It is so soft. It's a boat neck style sweater. And what I love about it is this classic neckline. I think it is so flattering and timeless, and I can dress it up. I can wear it with a skirt. I can wear it with jeans like I am today. It's just the perfect cashmere sweater to have in your collection. Vince cuts out the middleman and uses a direct factory to consumer model, reducing the cost, which is awesome. They also offer free shipping and 365-day returns. So I know I said I loved the boat neck sweater and that it was my favorite, but I think this might be a close second. It's a cashmere turtleneck ribbed bodysuit. So I'm completely cinched in here. It's very flattering. I love the detail of the turtleneck. I think it is so beautiful, so classic. I think there are so many ways you could wear this. I think it's awesome by itself. It makes a statement, but you could also wear it with a jacket, or you could pair it with a down puffer vest, which is what I'm doing. This is a responsibly sourced down puffer vest from Quince, and I love it. It's so puffy, so warm and cushy. It has pockets and they're fuzzy inside, so that's a nice touch. I could see myself wearing this with jeans and black boots for an elevated look, or with leggings and sneakers for a more athletic look. There's so many ways you could wear these pieces. And because everybody needs a white sweater in their collection for the fall and winter, I wanted to share this 100% cotton organic fisherman crew neck sweater with you guys from Quince. Love the sleeves. They're perfect. They kind of cinch in at the wrist, which I find to be very functional and flattering. And I love the knit detail. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just so good. So good. So many ways you could wear this, layer this through the autumn and winter season. But I truly just think everybody needs a good white sweater. So like I mentioned, I have loved shopping all of these beautiful items from Quince. They are just perfect additions to my wardrobe for the season. And if you want to shop any of them, definitely do so down in the description below. All of the pieces will be linked down there in that description. So please check that out. And thanks again, Quince, for sponsoring today's video. Every year, as soon as the leaves start to turn, I love to go out and forage branches. It's my favorite fall decor. It's free and it's delayed gratification because you can't decorate until the true colors are changing. I flipped some branches and brought them in, and I don't have to do anything to them. I just put them here in this pot and they'll dry out and be beautiful through the season until I decorate for Christmas. We sit here almost every morning and have our morning coffee in the dark with a cozy fire on, and I'm just really thankful for this space. Let's also take a look on the other side of the fireplace. Not only do I have some stems that I foraged from outside, but I also used an assortment of dried florals that are faux throughout my living spaces that I think really make a big difference for the season. I created this garland just using really inexpensive floral picks from the craft store. I like to use LED tapered candles for a cozy ambient vibe. I have some dried hydrangeas, a dried berry wreath. I love the rich colors of the browns and oranges in addition to the blues and greens in this space. And then I just have some real touches of autumn, right? Real pumpkins, faux pumpkins, and cozy pumpkin scented candles. And it just feels really homey. I also love plaids in the fall time. I think these green plaid pillows work nicely in this space too. So this is obviously a room that we use a lot of and really love as a family. I made this wreath in my kitchen decorating video, and it was another foraging project from a couple of years ago, technically. I clipped those hydrangeas from my old yard, dried them out, and then I just stuck them in a grapevine wreath and added a brown ribbon. And it's so pretty in here. I think it makes such a statement. I talked about this in almost every seasonal decorating video, I feel like, over the last 5 years, but do not underestimate the power of lamp lighting, no matter where it is in your home, from living rooms to bathrooms. Lamps go a long way. I very seldomly use overhead lighting, especially in the fall and winter months when you want it to feel warm and glowy and cozy. So here in my kitchen, I have this small lamp, and then I have cutting boards tucked behind it to cover up the cords so you can't see the cords. And I stuck it all in a tray so it feels collected and cohesive and not too cluttered. So I love this, even though it's everyday decor. It's definitely something I think that helps with the feeling of fall in my home. This is the entry that we use most often, right off the garage, and it goes right into our mudroom. And I don't like to put a ton of decor in here because real life stuff, backpacks, all that kind of stuff, but I do have some pretty budget-friendly fall stems here in this basket, hang in my jean jacket. I need to find some scarves to probably hang as it gets colder. And then I stuck a real pumpkin on the bench here. This is just such an easy way to make an everyday space look like fall. I mean, it truly does not get easier than that. If there's one space in my home I'm really glad I didn't compromise on when it came to building, sorry if the birds and bugs are loud, but it's this back porch space. We use it so much. Having it screened in is so nice for the bugs and things, critters. And we have the fire going this time of year. We'll turn on a football game or a fall movie and hang out here, bundle up. It has been such a used, loved space in our home, and I can't imagine not having it. For fall, you know, I have my bridal veil plants behind me here. I actually bought those in the summer. They're still hanging on okay. I need to bring them inside soon, but I just threw some pumpkins on the mantle. I got some mums out here. I didn't do anything crazy, but I wanted it to still feel like fall. When we have the French doors open, it feels like an extension of the inside of our home. It feels like another living room, so I don't want it to be too cluttered, but still feel like fall and bring the plants and things in too. So anyway, it's been a really good space for our family. And if there's one thing I would encourage you, no matter what the season you're decorating for, don't neglect the power of a thrifted find. This season alone, in the last couple of months, I scored some really good finds, starting with this beautiful brass pot. I got it at a thrift store. I paid less than $20 for it. The handles are stunning, and it's such a beautiful way to display these dried hydrangeas as a centerpiece in our kitchen dining room space. And then I also scored some really cool baskets. They're just like gathering baskets. I actually got them at a local greenhouse, and she sold them for like $2-3 a pop. So again, another really good find that I think adds a lot of warmth, texture, and just gives the space a really collected, homey feel. So the hutch, I didn't add too much to. I still just have my white dishware. I did add some dried florals and a little pumpkin to that tray, but other than that, I'm really just letting the hydrangeas be the star of the show in here. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed this cozy fall look inside my home today. I hope that it gave you ideas and inspiration, or maybe it just brought a moment of peace to your day. Maybe you've already decorated, your house is ready for fall and Thanksgiving and the holidays, and today's video was just a little bit of fall coziness, fall warmth to bring a smile to your face. I am so thankful for you. Thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate it more than you know. Subscribe if you're new here. We do a lot of fun content on this channel, from homemaking and decorating to fashion and self-care to health-related content, cooking, meal planning, all the things involved with being a wife and a mom and a woman who is trying to live a healthy, balanced life. So anyway, love you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you really soon in the next one. Bye.